First, you need to install Python 3 with the command sudo apt install Python 3. So then the next thing you need to install the Python package manager, which is pip, so Python 3-pip. And then once it's done, you need to install the Python 3 virtual environment. Then the next thing is to make a directory, Django app, so you're going to install Django, then you go into that directory. Fortunately, it's Django apps. Then you can start a virtual environment. Then I've called it my env. Then you have to activate it using source. VNV/bin/activate. You need to, instead of VNV, you need to call it the name you named it. In this case, my env. And then once it's activated, now you can use pip3 to install Django. If pip doesn't work for you, you can use pip3. Once it's done, now we can use the command Django-admin start project. Make sure you have a space, start project, my app. Then once it's done, then you can now list, and then you can see there is something known as my app. So you can navigate to that app, my app, then you list again. Then using Python manage.viewer, you can create a new, you can start an app. So I'll start app, and then the name of the app, I'm going to call it my blog. And the next thing is to start the server. For that, Python manage.py run server. Then you can go over to your browser and type localhost 8000. Then it's gonna load successfully. So thanks guys for watching. The next video will be how to configure static files, so please stay tuned, subscribe.